people, now onwards I've decided to start this whole feature where I don't necessarily feature in the video, but I can feature these two young, handsome, good looking young little rabbits. And this is the place where I stay. This is the view from my balcony. So it's beautiful, right? So I'm very grateful for being here. And that's what, it may not be in the most glamorous addresses in Hyderabad, but I'm just so happy. And then this little guy, I'm so glad. These little rabbits, basically, these are just 1 month old, so they don't often really, sometimes, many a time they don't survive. But I put them here because basically I wanted them to be in the sun. But I think in my next video I will just let them be free. And take a look at it. This is how the rest of the balcony looks, but this is so beautiful. So yeah, it's already a 1 minute video and they are grooming each other, and I'll set them free now. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.